Choosing the right dentist and dental practice for dental implants can be a really critical decision that affect your oral health and your overall well-being. We're confident that we're the right choice for you, but here are the 7 mistakes that people often make when choosing a dental practice for dental implants. So number 1, not checking the dentist's credentials. One of the most common mistakes is not checking their credentials and qualifications for placing dental implants. Ensure they are properly trained and experienced in implantology. Number 2, not asking for referrals or recommendations. So another mistake is not asking friends, family, or colleagues who have undergone dental procedures like implants in the past for their recommendations. Referrals can help you find a reputable dentist or practice with a proven track record of success. Mistake number 3 is choosing based on price alone. So choosing solely on the basis of cost can be a mistake, as the cheapest option isn't always the best option. So look for a practice that offers a fair price, provides excellent customer service, and focuses both on patient care and quality of work. And also look if the price includes guarantees on treatment and promises clarity on their pricing structure as well. Number 4, not researching the dental practice. So look online to read their online reviews from previous patients, as this is a really great indicator for success. And number 5, not asking enough questions. You should ask about the procedure, the recovery, and any potential risks or complications so you're fully informed about the treatment. And number 6, ignoring the communication skills of the dentist. It is crucial to find a dentist who communicates well with their patients, takes time to explain procedures and answer questions. This will make you feel more comfortable and build a good, trusting relationship with really good rapport. And also look at the communication skills of the whole team. Do they use a treatment coordinator who will help you have a seamless journey through your treatment and act a bit like your concierge? And the 7th and final mistake is not considering the overall experience. So consider the friendliness of the whole team, the wait times. Did you feel comfortable? Thank you for listening to these common mistakes when choosing an implant dentist or practice, and I hope it has been informative and helps you on your journey to a new smell of dental implants and improved confidence.